We just installed this stainless steel spa at this beautiful property, and we're looking to finish the landscaping and bring this project to life. The goal for this space is to try and give our customers something unique that you wouldn't see in a typical backyard. The stainless steel spa is a very custom feature. It has all the components of a regular hot tub, but a little bit of a premier finish, and blends into the landscape really nicely to complement it. For this spa in particular, the pump and housing is all built in under the spa. Typically for some installations, they'll have a specific pump house where it contains all the mechanical components for the spa. This one is built in, which is a nice feature. You don't have to listen to the motors or anything running, or it being kind of an eyesore in the yard. So nice feature on this one is it's all built in underneath.
We've been involved in this project for, I think, probably better part of a year now. The advantage to stainless is truly the durability of it. As far from a design perspective, we can create pretty much any style, any shape. The precision and design that goes into a stainless steel is unmatched in the concrete world. We have certain factors when you're pouring concrete. It's not as precise. You're not down to a fraction, a 1/16 of an inch in some cases. Whereas stainless steel, when we receive that product and when we design it, we're literally down to tolerances that we can run pipes through a particular wall and know that they'll match up exactly based on the blueprint that we receive. Calgary is a very challenging, our environment here and in the Rockies is particularly probably one of the most difficult to build in because of the thermal change. We can be literally plus 40 one hour, and 3 hours later we can be minus 40. So that thermal cycle makes it very difficult to engineer and build a product that wears well over time and endures our environment, and stainless has been the proven leader. The ability to design and execute at the highest level is one of my favorites. Every client that we've installed a Bradford for, we end up replacing equipment and all other components before we even look at the shell. So the ability to do it not only in a straight stainless steel finish, but a tile accent or an entire tile, really gives us the next level of client, because there are some that find stainless might be a little too sterile or modern for their particular environment. So being able to use a stainless steel structure for integrity and then tiling it as we would in a concrete, again, the tile work that we've seen on a Bradford spa far exceeds anything we could do in a concrete pool, and we have some of the best tile setters. I believe it's a thinking man's spa, and anyone that really does their homework will realize that it's worth every part of the process. If you're considering the highest quality installation of a pool or spa at a level unlike any other, I would strongly encourage you to drop by and see what it is we do here at Rocky Mountain Pools and Spas.